I've been asked this a couple of times in the last year, and we're going to answer this question today, and that is, Taz, why does my brand new wig stink? So with a wig that you've worn a while, it's obvious why it might stink, right? It might have come into contact with some sort of odor contamination, smoke, perfumes, whatever might gather onto the wig and create a smell. And we're all different. We all have different sensitivities to smell, right? Some can tolerate smells, even heavier, perfumey type smells, and other people can't. And every single wig brand out there has a different finishing process. Therefore, we're probably going to have a different scent. Each brand has a little bit of a different scent. So when I open up the box to a Belle Tress wig, I know it's a Belle Tress wig even before I see it, because I smell it. I know what a brand new Belle Tress wig smells like. But I did have a viewer write in, and she's brand new to wig wearing, and she ordered a Raquel Welch wig, and she said, it stinks. Right out of the box, brand new, she said, it stinks. It smells like dead animals. And I had to chuckle because I have never heard that before. I've never had a brand new wig smell like dead animals to me before. But I had a little bit of a cheeky response in that, well, that makes sense because wigs are made from dead animals. Now, stay with me here. So the wigs are made of mostly petroleum products, the plastics, the nylons. Everything has a petroleum base to it. Petroleum is just the result of the breakdown of organic matter over years and years and years. The heat, the pressure, underground, that's what gives us our oil, our petroleum products that are used ultimately to make products like a synthetic wig. But that might be one reason why there's a little bit of a stench to it, because they are petroleum-based products after all. Certain plastics have that smell as well. Certain clothing that you get can have a little bit of an odor. And if you're just a super sensitive smeller, it might smell like dead animals. So if you do have a brand new wig that has a stench to it, an odor that you just can't tolerate, I would suggest a few things. So there's a lot of deodorizers out there for wigs. In fact, any kind of product that you put in your wig will have some sort of scent unless it's specifically marked unscented. I have a review out there or coming up of the Purify Spray by Beauty Mark, which is for synthetic wigs, human wigs, and even fabrics to neutralize odors. It rests on the top of the fiber and sort of neutralizes and dissolves some of the organic matter that might cause an odor. A lot of ladies I've heard use some sort of Febreze product on their wig styles to eliminate odors and things. I have even found that just by storing a wig in a box for a long period of time, it sort of takes on the scent of the box and it has a musty smell to it. Same thing if you're storing them in a closet. It will take on some of that, and so you might want to eliminate it. I have found with the synthetic wigs particularly, all I have to do is spray some water on it and allow it to dry, and any odor contaminants sort of dissipate over time. However, if it's due to the finishing process of the wig, if there's some sort of silicone on there from the factory, and you're sensitive to the smell on that, you might want to use a little bit of dry shampoo. Dry shampoo will help absorb some of the excess oils on the wig that might be causing the smell. So just a light coating and then a shake on the wig style would probably be good enough to help deodorize the wig. If the odor is coming from the cap part of it, again, elastics, nylons, all petroleum-based products, you might want to squirt a little dry shampoo or a Febreze product on the inside of the cap. Now, I find that if you're sensitive to one odor, you might be sensitive to many of them. So by covering it up with another odor might not be a good solution. So maybe you just need to wash the wig. So yes, guys, indirectly, wigs are made from dead animals. But if you are encountering an unwanted scent on your wigs, there's a lot you can do about it. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right here at TAZ's Wig Closet.